Here's how to forget a Wi-Fi network on iPhone. We're going to go to the settings, and inside of settings, we're going to see Wi-Fi right here. And whatever current Wi-Fi you're on, you can actually forget that one or remove that network just by tapping on the I icon and then tapping on forget this network. But if you were trying to remove networks that you've been connected to before, those would be called known networks, then you're going to back out of this and instead you're going to go up to the edit button up here in the upper right. You will have to enter in your iPhone password for this one. But once you have it entered, you're going to see all the different networks you've been connected to in the past. And you can click on the I icon, but the easiest thing is just to click on the minus, and that will forget that network or remove it from your iPhone. So we delete that. We do need to click on the check mark. It's going to ask us to confirm that we want to remove that network or forget it. And yeah, we're going to remove it. And then that's how you can forget networks or forget Wi-Fi networks on iPhone.